We're going to do this selection with the pen tool. So here's the pen tool down here. It's got a contextual menu for lots of cool stuff. We're not even using that right now. We are going to start up here, and we're just going to cut this building out neatly with the pen tool. So off we go. We're not doing any clicking and dragging. We're just moving the mouse and we're clicking. The reason we're not dragging is there's no curves in this particular building, which makes it way easier for me to show you what's going on. I'm going to edit out that part here that we removed earlier, so we don't need to worry about the scaffolding and cutting things like that. Okay, you can zoom in and out as I taught you guys before as you're working. It makes life a lot easier. You'll notice if you make a mistake, like up here, you can just hold down the control key and move whichever point you wanted, and then click back on with the pen tool where you were working, and you continue doing the line. Pretty handy. Okay, so it's a low res image, I'm afraid, so excuse the quality. Rightio. So we're pretty happy with that. Demagnify, and I'm just going to draw right around the outside, nice and loosely, until I get the little closing the path symbol. You see that little circle there? Now we've got a path all the way around here. If we want to select the path, we can hold, with the pen tool selected, we can hold down the control key and we can click on the path, and then you can move some of these points if you need to move anything. Any point you want, you can just click on it and move it whichever way you want. You can use the arrow keys to move the point as well. Okay? And as soon as you are happy with the path you've selected, you hit Control Return and it makes the path active. Okay? Then all we need to do is select the inverse. So go up to the Select menu and choose Inverse. That means the building is now selected, not the background. Okay? We can copy and paste, edit copy from the top menu bar, or just use the keyboard, edit copy, edit paste. And then we can turn off the background layer, which is the original layer that we had right here, and you see we now have the building. Okay? Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to grab an image. I went to Google here earlier and I just have this one ready to go. I can drag it in, or I can just copy it and paste it into the background. Ooh, it came into the foreground, so I just drag it down here to the background level. And then we got another image in here. So we're pretty happy. It looks reasonably okay. And we'll just stop it there.